Hey you guys, here are the products I will be using for today's 3-strand twist out. Down in the description box will be a full description of each individual product. Alright, so I'm going in with my first shampoo. Now typically with any type of shampoo, you will not get much of a lather with your first one, and that is okay. That is pretty much standard. Once that is rinsed out, when I go in with my second, I do see the lather and the foam. And I honestly felt like it got my hair clean without that stripping feeling. Now they do tell you to go in with their moisturizing shampoo, which I did not have, so I just used my own Hello Hydration as my moisturizing shampoo to help put back that moisture in after a cleansing shampoo. Alright, now I am going in with their hair mask, and this stuff is like legit, y'all. When I tell you it's like butter, like on my hair, you can see how like the slip was. It definitely did its job. Now these are the 3 products I will be using for my 3-strand twist. I am applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair first. Then I go through and section off my hair. I probably could have worked that conditioner in a little bit more because you can still see it, but it's okay. I just know for next time. Alright, so this is what we have so far, as you can see, and these are my 3-strand twists. Alright, let's see if I can explain this. So when you go in, you have the 3 legs, right? Let me see. Yeah, I'm still trying to like conquer this, hands up to the screen, but alright, so your outside leg, okay, so leg number 1 crosses over like leg number 3. So you see leg number 1 is leg number 3, and now leg number 2 becomes leg number 1. See, you cross over. My hand is, oh my gosh, my hand is all in the way. Okay, that's a good shot. Alright, so 1 becomes 3, 2 becomes 1, and then 3 becomes 2. I don't know. Okay, let's try this one more time. You see? So there are the 3 that you have. You cross. Ugh, Lord. Just watch. Just watch. Yeah, that was a fail. So I'm basically done. Next clip, you're just gonna see how it looks the next day. Alright, so as you can see, the majority of it is fluffed out. Now, I don't care too much for it, for real. I think it's, for me, the leave-in conditioner and the gel, but more so the leave-in conditioner I don't care too much for. But I'm definitely going to try these products again on a regular 2-strand twist. Now, when you are splitting your twists, braids, roller sets, perm rods, whatever you have, you want to look for that natural split. So kind of give it like a little, like a pull, and you'll see how it splits apart. Because one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to do it one too many times and you end up with a bunch of frizz. Now, I don't care about a bunch of frizz, but if you don't want all that frizz, make sure you look for that part. And you can even twirl it around your finger because you don't want your laboring long hours. You don't want all that to be in vain. So just make sure your hair is dry and make sure you split it right. Thank you. Okay, so now I am all done going through and separating my twists. So what you see me doing now is I am basically just adding volume to my hair. You can use this with a comb, with a pick. You can even use it with your fingers. All you really want to do is you just want to go through to your root, maybe go like about halfway through, and kind of pull up at the same time just to give it that added volume. Now, let me tell you this, do not comb all the way through, because if you comb all the way through, then you're going to mess up your hairstyle. And ain't nobody got time to mess up a hairstyle, especially when your hair was soaking wet at night. You could barely sleep because now your pillow wet, your scarf is wet, and it just, we ain't got time for that. So, don't comb all the way through, kids. Okay? Okay. Yo, this edge control is bomb.com. I love, love, love this edge control. I'm just going to go in with my little Dollar Tree toothbrush. As you can see, it's camouflage because, y'all, it'd be like a real life fight out here trying to lay my daggone edges down. When I'm in the camera for real, you can see what I'm talking about, how well this stuff works. Okay, no hairstyle is complete without a headband, in my opinion, because I love headbands. I got this pack of headbands off of Amazon. It is a 10 pack, I believe. All the same style but different colors. So I did not do, as you can tell, a middle part, side part, or even just have it like falling forward, because I didn't care too much for how it came out. Here is a final look as to how it all came together.